This video is about Mobiloans Scam. This company is offering a credit line. They'll send you something in the mail that says that they'll give you quick cash, apply today, get 200 to 900 by tomorrow, which is true. Easy to understand pricing is not true, and flexible payment options is not true. How it works, basically in the mailer they send you, it's the same information. They tell you if you're getting a credit line of up to $500 that it's going to cost you $3 per $20 drawn. For amounts drawn over $500, it's going to cost you $2 per $20 drawn. And this information down here, this calculator, I don't believe is available until after you've been applied online and you've been approved, and you can then see the details of what it's going to cost you. But if you're looking for quick cash and you get the cash in your bank the next day and you think you're going to pay 10%, then you get your bill. The first bill comes, this was my first bill, on $800. Cash advance fee $80, no big deal, 10%. Everything's fine. And then you get the next bill, and knowing that I just paid $120 on the $800 that I borrowed, and now it's saying current balance $975 with a minimum payment due of $255, then you start to ask yourself, what's going on? So you start doing a little research and go back and find out exactly what you're paying. You read through the print again, and then you find this little calculator here. Go and put in the $800, calculate. There's the $120 payment that I made, and again, this was after 2 weeks. You get the money 2 weeks later, they're taking $120 out of your account, and then the next 2 weeks will be $135. So I assume the $255 was these two payments showing up together. I don't know why they didn't show the first one deducted. But anyway, if you add up this principal amount over the course of 12 months and these fees, it adds up to where you're going to pay $480 in principal and $875 in fees. So if you're making the minimum payment every 2 weeks, you're going to have paid 180% interest by my calculations. So how do they get away with this? Well, they're they're an Indian Reservation. Mobiloans.com out of Marksville, Louisiana, and they are exempt to the normal finance regulations that finance companies have to abide by, because they're an Indian reservation, and they call this not an interest loan. So they basically make their own rules, and basically it's usury. And I did a Google search on Mobiloan Scam, and I found out a couple rip-off reports. But when I first checked this, one of the things that I found when I was looking at some of these searches is they're doing a great job in reputation management. They're doing some great search engine optimization, and they're actually, making it look like somebody had wrote a testimonial about. It may start out looking like they were a disgruntled person, but how happy they were to get that immediate cash. And there's the Mobiloans Scam, Mobiloans reviews. And so there has been some consumer reports and rip-off reports, but it's pretty sad that anybody that that they're preying on, that they're sending this immediate cash credit line, that you're going to be in really bad shape if you're not able to pay the whole thing off immediately. So beware of Mobiloans Scam going around from this Indian reservation that is able to loan you money and charge you exuberant cost and take it right out of your account every 2 weeks.